this is Shree for Just Nailed It, and we are doing a little Halloween manicure here today. Our theme is pumpkins and leaves. Tammy's Manny's, myself, and I believe it's Jillian from Instagram are doing this. Tammy and I will have videos. There will be pictures from all three of us on Instagram, so please check that out. I started off with orange and black nails. My black comes from a cart. Love, love, love their black. Love their white as well. I am an affiliate sponsor, or not sponsor, an affiliate ambassador. Please check my description box for all discount codes. There's a link here straight to my cart where you can use my code. The orange is DD66 Blazing Orange by iGel Beauty. Love their products. Go on igelbeauty.com. There's always usually a 60% off sale. They've got acrylics. You get your lacquer and your gel as a duo for really like $6. Great prices when they got that sale going on. So that's where we're at here. We're gonna put these pumpkins on the nails. These are from Charlie's Nail Art. We're going to have a little bit of bling. Where's my glitter? We have got some glitter we're going to be using as well. This is called Jack-O-Lantern. This is also by Charlie's Nail Art. Jack-O-Lantern Glitter Mix. Let me show you the little card that comes on, stapled on top. We're also going to be using She Modern's glue gel, stencil glue gel. I'm going to be putting that on definitely this nail. This is our glitter nail. So let me start here. You want to apply this liberally, especially when using the glitter. You want to make sure you get full coverage. You have a light hand, do not be heavy-handed because you don't want to sparingly. You want it liberally so that your nail is completely covered. Let me think, what else? What else? I think I'm going to put on the bottom of this nail a little bit because I want to put some leaves down. So I'm only going to coat this part, well, I don't want it showing through. So let me coat both of those. We put those in the lamp for a full cure. Our orange nails here, where's my top coat? My top coat is also by iGel Beauty. It is a no cleanse top coat. I'm going to put these on. Chipped a nail. That's just beautiful. I'm going to be putting the little pumpkins at the top of these nails along with some bling. But the little metal pumpkins you can top coat because they will turn if you don't. So we're going to put a layer of top coat down. And then we shall add said little metal pumpkins. You can get these all off of Charlie's Nail Art. The pumpkins I'm using are from last year's. I don't really know if she still has them on her website. So go check out Charlie's Nail Art Supply. Oh gosh, what is it? It's been so long. I just go and click on the link in Charlie's on Instagram. charliesnailart.co.uk, and then my ambassador code is, what is it? I'll put it across the bottom of the screen. I've got so many that I can't remember. But we'll put that across the bottom of the screen. I've got my wax picker upper. I'm going to be applying some leaves here. Just give us a couple on the nail. These most likely are not going to lay flat. That's okay. That is alright. Sometimes things have a mind of their own. How does that look? Let's see, are we in frame? Where are we? We got our leaves. I'm gonna pop this in the lamp. Hopefully it'll help them stick better like I think it does. So we're gonna put that in there. This is our glitter nail. Oh, I cured this, didn't I? What a dummy. I wasn't supposed to cure it. This nail we are going to be applying the glitter. Jack-o'-lantern by Charlie's Nail Art. Love, love, love their mixes. They're like a 4 or 5 gram bag for super cheap. Excuse me. Now take your finger, whoops. Press this into the glue. Now get your edges so there are none sticking out. What do you think? This is Jack-o'-lantern by Charlie's Nail Art Supply. We're going to pop this in the lamp as well. Give those a full cure. We're going to re-top coat these nails and see if we can stay on track. They're really top coated, aren't they? Me and my little boo-boo. I'm just, you know, going on here. I love Charlie's supplies. I love iGel Beauty's top coat. It's very glossy. Love, love, love. Now, we're going to get us a pumpkin. Oh, shoot. Runaway pumpkin. We're going to place the pumpkin at the top of each nail. Get our pumpkin on straight. Check it out. This one has slid. Put this one on. Now I'm going to slide a little bit in the glossy top coat. Okay, as long as these don't slide again, we're going to stick these in the lamp. I am going to hold my hand in there to keep the light on for a brief second and give them a flash cure. And then I'll cure for a full 60. I've got this little top coat, it's by Model 1s. I'm going to use this to top coat over the glitter. This I use just strictly for the glitter because you know how it'll come off in the polish. Probably should have put this on over an orange nail. I don't know. Let me see here. I think it looks still beautiful over the black. So I'm going to pop the glitter nail back in the lamp. Give this a full cure. If we can get the peg to stand up. Okay, I'm going to set this off to the side for just a second. We're going to re-top coat these because you can top coat over these pumpkins, and you should, because they might turn in water. So we're going to top coat over these, add a little bit of bling. This one again, so it's kind of sloppy. Too much top coat. There we go. So we're gonna get our bling over here. See if we can add some. We're going to add 3 blings to each nail. Whoops. There we go. Whoops. Whoopsie. Put all these up here. I shall straighten them out in just a second. Little memento. This pumpkin definitely slid, which is unfortunate. I don't want my gems off-centered, but my pumpkin is not straight. I'm gonna pop these in the lamp. We're gonna top coat the glitter nail again. Pretty smooth. This time I'm going to use the Ice Gel Beauty's top coat. It's nice, thick, and luscious. Okay, we're going to top coat this nail as well. Going to top coat over these leaves. Try to seal them in a little bit. Let me see this here. Okay. I'm going to pop this nail in for the length of time that the others are in. We are going to be adding these pumpkins here. Cure that really well. Check these out. Look how beautiful those are. Nice, crisp, and clean. Like that. I like it, I like it. The black nail, we are going to be putting these pumpkins right here. Here we are, back out of the lamp with these. There are these. This is our glitter. Now, let's hot coat over these again. These are sticking up just a smidge, and I want to get these as smooth as possible. Smooth as possible. So I'm going to stick those back in the lamp. Give those another 60-second cure. Alright, we are back and fresh out of the lamp with these. These are now encapsulated. I've got my Model 1's rhinestone glue here. We are going to be putting this all over the top of the nail. I want to get this liberally for my pumpkins. Alright. Now I'm going to pop these in the lamp, give these a full cure. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp, as I say. Here is our pumpkin and leaves manicure for our collaboration with Tammy and Jillian. Remember, there will be a playlist hopefully pinned down in the comments. If not, check out my description box for all the information you're going to need to find Tammy's video, Jillian's pictures, our pictures on Instagram. I think this turned out really super cute. Really super cute. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. What your thoughts are on the manicure. Would you sport this for Halloween? I think so. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Click all. That way you get notified of all future uploads, giveaways, and important information. As always, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.